Hello, my dear guest. Sometimes you will need to use two-way binding because if you change variable in your child component, the change is not reflected in your parent component. Let me show you practically. Let's assume that we have a variable animal, and let's say it's dog. And we are showing this dog in our component HTML file. So we will say h1, and here we will pass animal. Also, we use this variable in our inner binding component. So let's pass animal, and let's say it's animal. And we need to define this in our inner component. So we will say input animal, that will be type of string. Also, we will show this in our inner binding. So we will say h1 and animal. Inside of inner component, we will have a button, and it will be motorized button. And let's say it's change animal. And also what it will do, it will on click, it will change animal. Change animal. We need to implement it. In change animal, we will say this animal equals to cat. So let's see. Let's define that it's inner. So we will say inner animal. Here we have parent dog and inner dog. And when we press change animal, only inner component will redefine this variable. But what we really want to achieve is to make it two-way. So if we change in our child component, it will be changed in our parent component. This is why we need two-way binding. First, we will use banana in the box syntax that specify two-way binding. Then in inner, we will need to use output, and the name should be the first part is the name of the input, and then you add special keyword change. And let's say this is new event emitter. Then in our change animal, we will instead of redefining it, we will say this animal change, and we will emit our cat. And we don't need this animals equal to cat. And that's it. So basically, when we now change our inner component, it will also change in our parent component. That's it. And remember not to lie to yourself. Have a great day. Bye.